Welcome to the GenFab 1 team. On behalf of the leadership team, I will provide an overview of GenFab culture. The purpose of this training is to share some expectations with you on the competencies you will need to progress along a career path at GenFab. We will discuss culture, which is an area that is part of assessing your work and creating a plan for you to develop. This is part 1 of 3 areas we create expectations on for how you will conduct yourself at GenFab. The other 2 areas are separate training. Today we will discuss performance management around cultural competencies. We hope that this helps you perform while you are here, but also enjoy fulfillment in your career. Our focus today is on understanding our culture. It helps guide the work we do. Organizational culture is different than what you may think of when you hear the word culture. Organizational culture is the set of values, beliefs, behaviors, customs, and attitudes that help team members understand what it stands for, how it does things, and what it considers important. You see here where culture fits overall in how we measure performance. We say it is aspirational because it is a continuous journey. We have had some behavior that was not consistent with this, but we continue to make huge shifts. Consistency in our behavior is what makes it our culture. We have 3 cultural initiatives that we will now talk about. Trust is our first and really most important. It is about having each other's back by meeting commitments to each other and taking care to support each other. Take a minute to review the key components of what we mean when we say trust. Goal 0 safety is a big part of trust. We want to support each other, so we do 0 harm to you, the plant, and the environment. Our families depend on us to get home safely every night. Everybody everyday continuous improvement is about being a better person today than yesterday, and tomorrow being better than today. We encourage you to think of GenFab and the contribution you make to its success as your business. We want to have an owner's mindset. Take a minute to review the key components. Our third cultural initiative is bias for action. It is about taking action to influence outcomes. Take a minute to review the key components. This slide really simplifies it. Have each other's back. Don't complain if an area can be improved. Take action to improve it. You will have access to our cultural playbook, which contains ideas on things you can do as an individual and with your team to grow in the various areas. Please take some time to review the specific videos in the 3 areas of trust, everybody everyday continuous improvement, and bias for action.